M7 here. Haven't been available in a while, but that's why I bring you guys some random packs. Found these at my local Target today. They were really cheap, so I said, why not? Let's start off. I got some Photon Shockwave, Cosmo Blazer, Biz Rising, and some Galactic Overlord. So let's just pick a random one and let's go. Start off with Photon Shockwave. Let's hope we pull some good stuff. Okay. I'm gonna go through them pretty fast, just go over the rares. And I see we get a Ace Bond, and I see we have a super rare, first pack, nice. We have a Yugioh, a Winged Beast. Haven't even heard of this card, we got it. There you go, one rare, one super. And the rest are common. Let's put these to the side, somewhere here. Next we got Abyss Rising. There's a lot of that mermail stuff in here, I believe. And we have Snow Dust Giant, and oh sweet! Number 8 Heraldic King Genin Heritage. Super rare. Nice! 2 super rares out of 2 packs. Ain't that awesome? Nice. Cool beans, my friends. Let's see, we have the same luck with Galactic Overlord. We're on a streak of super rares. But will we pull some more hollows? This pack's hard. There you go. We have a Erratic Seedless Convocation. No way! Wow! We pulled a big eye! Do you know how much this is worth? Do you know how much this was worth? It was worth hundreds of dollars at some point. And we got it. Wow, that's fucking amazing. Sorry for my language, but that's amazing. You know, I pulled this card when I bought a box. It was worth cheap. But now, it's mine. Wow. Number 11, Big Eye. Wow. 3 out of 3 packs. Oh, Lord Jesus Christ. Wow. Okay, we've already opened. Let's open the Cosmo Blazer. We haven't opened that one yet. Cosmo Blazer, will you have the same luck? Maybe an Ultimate Bear. Wow, that is amazing. I pulled a Big Eye. Wow, secret rare Big Eye. Nice. That's a really good card. Come on, let's see if Cosmo Blazer keeps us rolling. We have a Slacker Magician, and oh my gosh, I think we just pulled big bucks out of all of these packs. Noble Arms Caliburn. Wow, it's 3 super rares, 1 secret rare. Wow. That's amazing. I have never done this before. 4 packs in a row, 4 hollows, 3 supers, 1 secret. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. We have another Galactic Overlord. Let's see if we pull something else, like a card D. Maybe the Heraldic King of Adam. Let's see. Come on, Lord. Let's go. Let's do this. Will the Yugi gods be with us? We have Light Ray Diabolos, and what do you know? Drag Connection. An ultra rare Drag Connection. Wow. 5 out of 5 packs with pure hollows. Can you believe that, guys? Can you believe that? I'm recording this live, so you guys know that this is not no game. 5 out of 5. Wow. This is amazing. Abyss Rising. Let's go, Cowboy. If you're in here. We do the Mermail card. Spellbook of Eternity is a good card. And, oh, that's okay. No hollow for this one, but you know what? We've already pulled great. We've definitely made our money's worth simply with this baby right here. That's big bucks, guys, big bucks. Photon Shockwave. Wow, can't believe I pulled so many good cards already. These packs seem to be hard to open. There you go. Let's go. Junk, Defender, and just rare on that one. It's all good though. It's all good. We're still doing good. Alright, we have 8 packs left out of, how many did we get? 17? Not 15? Yeah. How about we open another Photon Shockwave? Try to speed up the opening rate. Deep Dark Trap Hole. And just a rare on this one. Blah thing. Sweet. You know what? I don't even care if we pull any more hollows. I already pulled something amazing, so it's all good. Let's open Abyss Rising. That big eye looks beautiful, doesn't it? Beautiful, I tell you, beautiful. But not as beautiful as my girlfriend. I'll tell you that. Noble Arms Affirmator. And just the rare on this one. Let's open another Galactic Overlord. Let's see if the Yugioh gods are with us on this one. I think I just opened like the main hollows, then like the first 5 packs. And left like the junk ones on the other ones. Dimension Slice and oh, never mind. Hammer Bouncer, super rare. There you go. I did not. Sue's a good card. Okay, 5 packs left. Photon Shockwave it is. Leave 4 of the same ones at the end. Photon Shockwave. Let's see what we get. A baby Dragoon, and just the rare on this one. It's alright. Okay, last 4 packs. How about we do Cosmo Blazer? Come on, there has to be a bear in here. Infinity Archer, and Brotherhood of the Firefist Rayan. Not bear, but you know what? Oh, Tensu is a good card. Alright, let's do Abyss Rising. Justice of Prophecy, and no way. Is that what I think it is? Damn right. Secret Rare Abyss Megalo. Money maker. I'm telling you. What are the odds of pulling 2 secret rares out of random packs that Yugioh, that Target has for cheap? I'm telling you, big bucks, guys. That's big bucks. Photon Shockwave for second to last. Wow, we pulled amazing today. Alright, we got Junk Defender and, what do you see? Another super rare. Seems we got the same one already. The Fengar Gong, whatever. Did I put the rare out? I did. Last pack, guys. Galactic Overlord. Let's see if we end strong. Mighty strong with another big eye. Card D, something, just something. It's fine. And we have a Pine, Final, and Zetron, and nope, just the rare. Alright, let's tally up what we got. Alright. So this is what we get. We got number 11 Big Eye from Galactic Overlord. Mermail Abyss Megalo. Another great card. This is from Abyss Rising. We got 2 of these Feng Huang. We got 2 Feng Huang super rares. Number 8 Heraldic King Genom Heritage. Drag Connection Ultra Rare. Hammer Bouncer. And a Noble Arms Caliburn. Alright guys. This is Pretty M7 and I'm back. And great. I'll see you guys later. Pretty M7 out.